Hello, it's Garemore. This device is a digital power switch for a car or truck or any vehicle really. This button here is for switching the power states, and this is like the brakes switch. And over here we have some switches here. I'll turn it on so you got some lighting on there. This green one here is the ready indicator. This would go to the dashboard. This one here is the ignitions, no, that's the accessories switch. Here is the ignition switch. This one here is the starter switch. Or it would go to the motor controller if it's electric. I'm going to demonstrate this now. You just press the power button, goes to ACC, and this light here is a RGB LED that changes colors. Green for accessory mode, blue is the on state. When you press it, it goes back to flashing green, which is the standby. And it starts to flash amber. You hold down the brake and it's flashing amber. Hold down the power button. It will just go into the starter state, which is also blue. And that's it. Just turn it off. Just press the power button again. Here's all the code I got. This is all the code for the digital power switch. Here is the start button and the interlock switch and the accessory and the starter and all that. LED pins. Some variables for controlling different things. And some declaring inputs, outputs, and writing some stuff. Reading the buttons, and this is where all the magic happens here. You can pause the video if you want to read all this. Go down here, this is what controls the LEDs, indicators, stuff. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links in the description. Goodbye.